In this video, I will show how to easily add UTM valid parameters and generate a UTM link. So visit this website webtools.barkatreza.in and sign up with Google. There are paid and free plan, but in the free plan you will get all tools to use. UTM link generator, enter your URL, then UTM source, UTM medium, UTM companion and UTM content term, and here you will get the result once you fill this all required data. So you can check out and try this website. It's my own website. Just sign up with your free Gmail account and give your feedback about this website. So thanks for watching, guys. There are about 1500 plus tools. Check out this website, give your suggestion and enjoy using these all tools completely free.